Hello guys, so today I'm going to teach you how you can fix IDM which is not working on Google Chrome. So you're going to go to your Windows search bar and type in control panel. So you're going to hit on control panel, and under here you're going to programs and install a program, and in here you are going to check for IDM and you need to make sure that you uninstall it. And now for the next step is you go to your Chrome browser and type in IDM, and then you are going to hit over this link here, and then you are going to download the IDM app and you're going to install it again. You can see it has already downloaded, so you need to install it again. One of the key reasons why it might not be working on YouTube is because it is outdated, so you need to make sure that you update the app. And one final thing you need to do now is to follow the instructions that are all described on the screen if it does not work, and hopefully it will work for you. So if you found this content useful, consider subscribing and see you in the next video.